Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So in the previous video, we just created a first transition from the AEJoice package, standalone package. So in this video, we're going to look at how we can use multiple transitions, so one after the other in DaVinci Resolve. So we've used the first one right here, and for adding the second one, we need to have one more video clip. So I'm going to move this, make this smaller, and I'm going to bring in the next video clip here. So let's say I'm going to bring in this beach. All right, fine. So now we want to have the second clip. Again, we need to decide where we want the transition to start. Do we want to start from here, or we want to start from here? So depending on that, you will have to choose which clip you're going to place the transition on top of. Okay, so let's say I'm going to choose this transition here, and let's say for this case also I'm going to put it on this one. So if I have to put the transition on the second clip, I will actually need to have some part of this first clip to appear on top of this, right? So for doing that, I will have to cut something from here, and then I want to move that over here. But instead, the easiest way is to bring the transition to the previous one, and we can actually have the clip of this over this guy, right? So that becomes easier for us, and we can simply just delete it from here. So just to find the exact end to delete and bring this rest of the part down here, we can use the arrow key. So select the transition clip, which actually shows us the last end of it, or we can select this one as well, and then press down arrow, and that way we can bring the exact cutting point to the end here. Okay, so now select this clip and use the command or control backspace just to cut that, or we can use the eraser or razor tool here, not eraser, razor tool here. Okay, and then I want to bring this down here. Now we have the transition, we know the drill. Let me make a copy of this and then put it on top here. Okay, so what we have is just the transition here. So we have the transition here, but you can see that it's actually starting from this clip, right? So we need to do a couple of steps here. So the first thing is, I'm going to just give you some more space so that the video clip is a little bigger, and we don't have any audio here, so we can have this, we can have more space. Good. So the first one, we need to remove this black area. So I'm going to change the composite from normal to add. So that removes that. That's good. In the second clip, we want to show the next clip, which is below it. So for that, I'm going to choose composition, and I'm going to choose foreground. There you go. And one last thing that we have to do is down here, we want to change from composite. Last time what we did was composite to inverted alpha. All right, and let's see what result we get. So there you go. So we have this clip coming, and it just jumped to the next clip, right? So this is a problem that you will have when you place the transition on the previous one. Okay, so how do we fix this? Okay, so watch here. So we have the city clip, and it's jumping to the beach, and then the city is coming back again, and then the beach back again. Okay, so that's totally messed up. Okay, so how do we fix this? We have to change this bottom transitions composite from inverted alpha to alpha. You see, it's just a swap of which clip first and which clip comes next. All right, so now you can see, there you go. That's exactly what we wanted. So let's just play from the beginning. Do-do-do. And then do-do-do. Okay, fine. So we'll just look at one more trick in the next video. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to invert this transition. So you can see that we are actually going from the branch, or the branch of the tree starting from the bottom, and then filling up the entire space. We will invert it so it comes back from the previous one. And you can also use my affiliate link in the description to check out the AEJoice package, so you can actually have the free trial and just try it out, and if you like it, you can actually make the purchase. Stay tuned guys, see you in the next video.